You are obviously aware of the video tutorials provided in this release of CSET. However, you may not be fully aware of the help system and user guide that are also provided. To open the user guide, simply click on the button and a PDF version will be displayed. You can review the information on the screen or print a hard copy if that's easier to work with. There is also a help system available that will open specific information based on the screen that you are on. To access help at any time, simply click on the question mark icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen or context area. This opens the help system directly to the page that is related to the button. From here, you can navigate through the full system. Let's take a look at the standard screen before we do that. In this screen, you will see the help icon related to the general screen and more specific help associated with each of the steps. We'll click on the Help for Step 1 to open this section. As you can see, the help system provides information that explains, in this case, how the assessment mode works and the differences in the two approaches to answering questions. There are 3 ways to find topics in the help system. The first is with the content tree structure shown here. You can see that we are in the chapter on selecting the mode and standards and are on the topic of the Step 1 assessment mode. Each closed book icon indicates that there are multiple topics underneath this branch. As an example, we will open the icon titled Determine the Security Assurance Level. We see that there is a single topic and 2 more branches. We'll now click on the book icon titled General SAL Determination to reveal a set of topics related to the General SAL. Clicking on the first icon shows the help for General SAL Injury Potential. There are other ways to navigate the help contents. If you click on a main page like Selecting Mode and Standards, you will notice the hyperlinks under the overview. By clicking on one of these links, you will move down the tree to a final page. For example, we'll select the first option, Standard Screen. The breadcrumbs at the top show where you are in the hierarchy, and they also allow you to navigate by clicking on a link. On the right, you can click on the previous and next page options to move between topics. If you want to navigate using only these links, you can close the tree structure. You close it by clicking on the Hide button and restore it back by using the Show button. The Options menu item allows you to configure the system and navigate with additional functions. To use the index approach, you can double-click on a topic, or if there are multiple topics under the heading, select a more detailed item. For example, when we double-click on the Analysis listing, we see the Topics Found form showing a list of topics related to analysis. To go directly to the help, we will either double-click on the topic called Analysis Questions or select the topic and click on the display button found on the bottom of the form. The Keyword to Find box above the list allows you to begin typing a character string to initiate the search. The system will jump to the keywords that match the string as you type it. For example, by typing VI, we jump directly to the topic titled Visio. The final navigation method in the help system is with word or character string searching. You must click on the Search tab and then enter a keyword for the system to search on. It will find any subjects where that text string is used in the context of the help documentation. Let's say we forgot how to change the font for a text string in our diagram. We could type the word font in the search box. The system then displays topics where the word is used. We'll choose the first option to see what we can learn. To open the topic, we can either double-click directly on the topic in the list, or we can highlight the topic and click on the display button on the bottom of the form. The help system provides more than individual screen documentation. It also includes introductory information, advisories, and topics like this one called Preparing for the Evaluation, which helps you plan and prepare for an assessment. Here we can learn about system requirements and what we need to do to prepare. It also answers frequently asked questions. The help system can be used to gain a very detailed understanding of the tool. We highly recommend that you become familiar with this system. This concludes the Detailed Help Information tutorial.